See, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, where you may get a tough question, I am telling you, that is premium. Everybody knows Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana premium is 436 rupees. No, it is not correct actually. Generally, this PMSBY, PMJBY customers, the premium will be starts from June only. 1st June only it will start. That is June to June, July, August. 3 months. Then September, October, November. Then December, January, February. Then March to May. March, April, May. So 4 quarters are there, correct na? So June, if anybody is taking a policy, June means he will take up to May. Next to June, he will pay entire 436. Okay, he will take the benefit of 12 months. Or maximum July means 11 months. August means 10 months. Okay, they will pay full premium for government. Why a September person has to pay 436? So government has made some changes. So here means September to May means he will get 9 months. December means 6 months. March to May means only 3 months. Once May is over, after 1st June of next year, they will pay 436 for entire year, no problem. But first year, it is not applicable like that now. So that's why government said 3 months means, please remember, answer is 114. This answer you have to remember 114. Remaining you need not remember. 6 months means double. 114 into 2, 228 rupees. 9 months means 114 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 1s are 3, 4, 30, 42. This is how the premium you have to calculate. This anyway you will remember, June to August 436. This is a by default amount, everybody knows 436. But this is only from June to August, please remember. So based on the lesser the period, premium will come down. So if you write this table properly only, you can write. You can give the correct answer. If something he wants to ask you, if somebody comes for October month, how much premium he has to pay? It is not 436, na? September month, October month. This is the premium. 342 he has to pay. So these numbers also you have to remember. This is something I would like to tell you. Okay. So now comes to main scheme. Everybody knows Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima, Jeevan Jyoti. Suraksha means accidental insurance. अगर एक्सीडेंट में कुछ होता है या टोटल डिसेबिलिटी हो जाता है, then only amount will be paid. But Jeevan Jyoti is a life insurance. Life will be insured. Any reason death hota hai, then also bank will pay the amount. Any reason death, cancer, heart attack, okay, even accident also. Agar accident, if a customer match with an accident, he will get 2 lakhs here, he will get 2 lakhs here also. Total 4 lakhs he will get. Other than accident, accident means only 2 lakhs. Normal death means he will get 2 lakhs. That's why this premium is always more, 436 rupees. 20 rupees is the premium. Everybody knows. I need not tell you. And commission, whatever government gives, if bank is getting 2 rupees, but if BC is there means bank will take 1 and admin will take 1. Bank will take 1, BC will take 1. This is what I was talking about. 436 is for only 1 year. June, July, August, if somebody somebody takes a policy means 436. After that only 342. After that only 228. 14. How to remember this number? You remember 114 into 2, 114 into 3. This table, if you remember, any month he asks, you can get the answer. Everybody knows 2 lakhs is the death, 2 lakhs is the death, everybody knows. But partial disability means only 1 lakh. Okay, already I told you every policy starts with June only. June, every year over. Now age. Don't get confused. 2 ages are there, 18 to 50, 18 to 70. See, here I would like to tell you one more logic. If it is a life insurance means never ever they will give longer age. They cannot take risk up to 70 years. So that's why they made it 18 to 50. Life insurance means more premiums have to be paid after age of 50 years. See, generally mortality age kya hai India mein? More than 50, 60, 70. So that's why government and insurance company have told that within 18 to 50 only, if death happens only, they will pay the amount, the 2 lakhs. Okay. So, but for accident, they covered up to 70 years. Accident is 7 years. Okay. So maximum permissible age is 70 years only. No need 50 years. Okay. Termination of cover. Once customer attains 70 years, PMSB will be closed. Terminate cover. But in this policy, what they are told is if customer is regularly paying the premium on attaining 55 years only, cover will be terminated. If he pays regularly up to 50 years premium, so up to 55 years terminal will be there. Now last one is settlement of claims. Very important circulars, 230/24. He may ask question. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, within 30 days of death, payment has to be made. Within 30 days of death, the payment has to be made. Okay. And a claim admissible, this is not important. You will remember 70 years. Already we have discussed. Now come to Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Within turnover time is only 14 days. Within 14 days, payment has to come. Bank will have 7 days. Insurance company will have only 7 days to make the payment. DFS also prescribed that within 7 days, documents has to go to insurer from the bank. So please remember, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Yojana turnover time is 30 days में payment आना चाहिए. This is only 14 days. 14 days में bank 7 days, insurance company 7 days. These are the two important things you have to remember with regard to this. Now, Atal Pension Yojana. Everybody knows for unorganized sector, government has started this scheme. Fixed pension 1,000 to 5,000 depend on the age and contribution. Okay. So if anybody wants unorganized sector means some vegetable vendor, we are getting pension from bank, right? I'm getting pension, you are getting some NPS. So something we are getting. These poor people, they don't get. For them, government started this scheme called Atal Pension Yojana, unorganized sector for getting pension after the age of 60. So they have to start within 18 to 40. 18 to 40 years age between only they have to start. And their pension they will get after 60 years. Then how many years they will contribute, sir? Minimum. If somebody joins exactly at 40, how many years they will pay? 20 years. That's what. Minimum contribution is 20 years. Minimum. If somebody joins at 18 means he will give for more age. Na? 18 to 60, more than I think 42 years he will pay. But generally they don't go. Na? So if at all somebody joins in 40, minimum contribution will go 20 years. That's why minimum contribution is 20. Pension will start at 60. At 60. Okay. All bank account holders who are not members of any social security scheme are eligible under this scheme. Now, some example they have given here. Contributions can be, this contributions 1,000 to 5,000 pension, if they want, they can contribute money. That contribution they can give monthly also, quarterly also, half yearly, not yearly. Not yearly. Now, some examples they told, if at the age of 18 somebody starts, if they pay rupees 42 rupees, then they will get monthly pension of 1,000 rupees. At the age of 20, if they pay rupees 291, then only they will get 1,000 rupees pension. Generally, I am not expecting any question from this age and all, but examples they have given just for, if at all you ask, we can answer. Okay. So 18 to 40 is the age to join. 20 years minimum contribution they will give if at all they join at 40. Because after 60, they are going to get pension. How much pension they will get? 1,000 to maximum 5,000 rupees based on their age when they have joined, based on the contribution what they are giving. Okay. Earlier they used to give contribution. Now this is not there. If 60 years के बाद अगर upon death age मर गया तो spouse will get the monthly pension. Now business correspondent agents, BC agents. See, business corresponding BCs are there na. They will open current account. Correct na? Whatever transaction BC is doing, they will do through current account. Okay. It should be in their individual name in the base branch, that account. Current account we will open with 201. If you want to waive any charges, because current account now, if you want to waive any charges like service charges, folio charges, cash handling charges, non-maintenance of minimum balance, you can waive to these BC agents. Options are SCM 02 and 03 to waive because they are doing for our bank. Na? Okay, so that's why all these charges are waived. We can do it in SCM 02. What are the transactions allowed at BC? Business correspondent can do tab-based transaction, cash deposit, CDM, cash withdrawal, branch and ATM. These are the transactions he can do. Now, what he should not do? He should not do NEFT, he should not do RTGS, UPI, mobile banking, internet banking. No, these things he cannot do. Now, once he has opened current account 201, can you give debit card and checkbook? Yes, debit card and checkbook can be permitted. And one more point they are telling, branch to maintaining current account, whatever account they are maintaining, closely we have to monitor the transactions on daily basis. For what purpose? To avoid many malpractices in the transaction through BC outlets. Now, branch shall also maintain list of personal accounts of BCA. whatever accounts he is having, personal accounts in individual capacity, that list we should have, and their close relatives accounts also we should have. Okay. Any alert reports are coming from top appropriate authorities, we have to verify alert reports on BCA transaction on daily basis. Then branch shall not utilize service of BCA for making payment in any manner. See, cash deposit, cash withdrawal has to be taken care by cashier. We cannot use BCA. Most important point. He should not be allowed to sit within 100 meters. He should not be near the branch within 100 meters. Okay. Any deviations, branch manager is held accountable. Then RO executives, whenever they are visiting branches, they have to visit these BC outlets 50% in a quarter and 100% in every half year. So RO executives, they have to visit BC outlets. Okay. 50% of BC outlets in quarter, total 100% in a half year. Last, not BC agents are not allowed to do transactions more than 10,000 rupees. Very, very important points. This circular, we didn't get any question. So you may expect. They should not allow to do any transaction more than 10,000 rupees, including deposit or withdrawal. In case of Aadhaar based transaction. If BC is doing through AEPS, then 10,000. If non-Aadhaar based, if he is doing, maximum is only 5,000. Very, very important circular. We have to remember with regard to BC agent. Sir, why I told about theory points? Generally, I never tell theory points. Sometimes this examiner, he is asking which one is wrong. They are giving all these theory points. He can give a debit to current account like that. He is asking odd man out. That's why every important point I have referred to you. Okay. Now we'll go to the last important scheme, that is National Pension Scheme. National Pension NPS. National Pension System. All Citizen Scheme. This is for pension. Even we can also invest. Being a banker, we can also invest here. Okay. Defined contributory pension regulated by PFRDA. PFRDA का full form है Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. This is working under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So NPS is a voluntary saving scheme. If you want to invest, you can invest. Otherwise, you can keep calm. Okay. Laid out the subscribers make defined contributions toward future may, if you want a correct, some good amount of pension, if you feel whatever pension you may get from the bank is not sufficient, you can start NPS scheme and you will get some good amount at the time of retirement. That is NPS. Okay. Who are all eligible? Any resident, NRI, overseas region of India. All are eligible to open NPS. What is the age to join? 18 to 70 years can join, but continue or defer the NPS up to 75 years. 18 to 70 they can join, they can go up to 75 years. Who are all not eligible? HUF and person of Indian origins not eligible. Now, PFRDA appointed Protein E-Government Technologies as central record keeping agency for NPS. This name you have to remember. किसको अपॉइंट किया? Protein E-Government Technologies as a central record keeping for NPS. Entire pension withdrawal amount is tax free. Whatever you invest, entire amount is tax free. Tax benefit under tier 1. If you are, there are two tiers, I'll tell you in the next slide. Tier 1, tier 2. If you are investing in tier 1, within overall ceiling of 1.5 lakhs under 80C will be exempted. Please remember. If you are putting 1.5 lakhs under 80 CCD, you can take deduction. Generally 80 CCD में already हमारा cover हो जाता है. For example, your housing loan, everything is coming under 80 CCD only. But one more important point is additional deduction. That is 50,000 in NPS Tier 1 account is available in 80 CCD 1B. This is extra savings. Every year I invest 50,000 under this NPS Tier 1 account. 50,000 only I invest because 1.5 lakhs already I'm already covered. LIC, housing loan principal. So all these things are covering to 1.5. Extra 50,000 if I invest, I will get under NPS investment. So 30% slab means I can straight away say 50,000 rupees. So that's why I invest 50,000 there. Okay. But tier 2, no tax benefit. Tier 2 में कोई tax benefit नहीं है. Okay. Corporates, proprietorship, trust, society, partnership companies are also eligible. can claim tax benefit for the amount contributed toward pension of their employees. See, any business entities, if they are contributing towards their employees, that is also exempted. Okay. Generally, employees contribution toward NPS is 10% of salary. Okay. And even this 10% of salary, whatever they are investing, it can be shown as a deduction under business expenses from their P&L account. One more benefit government has given to them. If the corporates, if they give 10% contribution for their employees, that can be shown as an expenditure from their P&L account. Now, this is the important slide. NPS, there is tier 1, tier 2. I told you, whatever we are investing for tax saving is tier 1. Tier 2 is just a savings. Tier 2 is, I think, investment. Even tax saving is permitted. Here, no tax saving. That is the difference between tier 1 and tier 2. Okay. Individual pension account. But anybody wants to open a tier 2 optional account, but require an active tier 1. If you want to invest in tier 2, minimum tier 1 account is compulsory. Withdrawal, we will read unrestricted withdrawals. Any number of times you can withdraw. You can save, you can withdraw. Whatever interest is there, you can take. But it is not like that. You cannot withdraw because tax savings, whenever tax savings are, government never allow you to withdraw the money. So minimum contributions are very, very important. For example, tier 1 is 500 rupees. Per year, it is 1000 rupees. First 500, so you can open the account. After that, every 1 year, you have to give 1000 rupees. Tier 2 mein, last year this question has come. Minimum contribution is 1000. Maximum contribution, minimum contribution after every year is 250. Very less amount. Because it's a not tax saving, they made it 250. This is tax saving. That's why 500 plus 1000. No upper limit for maximum contribution. Any amount. No upper limit. Any amount. Tax benefits available. You see, tax benefits not available. These are the basic difference of tier 1 and tier 2. Tier 1 is only I'm telling you only savings. This is savings plus tax benefit. Now, earlier tier 1, tier 2, if you want to invest, you can use credit card. Now they have stopped. Credit cards stopped by PFRD. Okay. Timeline for settlement of withdrawal. If anybody give a request for withdrawal from tier 1 and tier 2, for example, NPS will settle in T plus 2 working days. Within T plus 2 days, today if you give a request, within 2 days you will get the money. Then we got to, apart from tax benefits, ATCCD, below are the other tax benefits. Subscriber can withdraw partial withdrawal, they can do. Tax benefit rahega hi rahega, tier 1 mein. Along with that, what they are telling, if they want to withdraw money, they can withdraw. How much they can withdraw, they are telling. Subscribe or withdraw NPS tier 1 account before age of the 60. For specific purposes, we will discuss in the next slide. But amount withdrawal allowed is only up to 25% of the contribution, which is exempted from tax. Partial withdrawal. In the next slide, we will in depth, we will see. If at all in between, if they want, after 3 years, once the NPS was started, this scheme, after 3 years, 25% they can withdraw. Okay, that is what they are telling after 6. That is the more benefit. If subscriber attained the age of 60 years khatam ho gaya, then 40% of the corpus fund is exempted from tax. He can withdraw also, exempted also. Subscriber charges. Registration for NPS, it is 200 rupees. Contribution charges, every year, whatever you contribute, 0.5% of contribution amount, minimum 30, maximum 25,000. Contribution charges. Charges for non-financial transactions is rupees 30 plus GST. These are the charges they have quoted. Now, this is the last slide for today. Withdrawal. Already we have discussed. Again, I am telling you, partial withdrawal in tier 1. Tier 2 we discussed. Now, anytime you can withdraw, no confusion. But when it comes to tier 1, they told some conditions. Partial withdrawal, yes, after 3 years they can do, but withdrawal is only 25%. When it comes to premature withdrawal means before attaining age of 60 years also they can premature. After 60 means matured, na? So less than 60 means 80% will be in the pension they will keep, 20% will be given to the customer before 60. But this is after 5 years. This is after 5 years. Okay. But if it is less than 2.5 lakhs only contribution is there, then entire amount you can take it back. But after 5 years only. As I told you, if it is after 5 years means you can take entire amount from the system, but it should be amount is less than 2.5 lakhs. Normal withdrawal means after maturity. 40% will be kept in the pension fund, 60% will be given to you. 60% you can take it lump sum. But if the amount is only 5 lakhs or less than 5 lakhs, 100% you can take the amount. This is the concept of NPS scheme: partial withdrawal, premature withdrawal, and normal withdrawal. I hope I am clear. After completion of 3 years is called as a partial withdrawal. After completion of 5 years is called as a premature withdrawal in NPS scheme. Okay, that's why they told after 5 years from NPS. Okay, so, one more is there. PRAN. That PRAN is permanent retirement account number. It is full form is permanent retirement account number. This is a 12-digit unique number. Okay. Launch of exit through self-authorization by e-NPS subscribers. See, anybody electronically, if they took NPS subscription, they can exit themselves. But only thing is, corpus is up to 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, sorry. If the corpus is up to 10 lakhs, they can exit automatically from there. They can, the online, they can exit. Okay. Directly remittance. What is direct remittance? Direct remittance means existing NPS subscribers would be able to deposit their voluntary contributions by creating a virtual ID linked to the PRAN. So direct remittance means the PRAN will be there. That one virtual ID link they will create. With that, if they pay installment, that is called direct remittance. The minimum value for de-remittance is 500 rupees per transaction in tier 1 and tier 2, both. Minimum value is tier 2. Okay. Last point is NPS for corporate sector model. Also, one more scheme is there. This is applicable for 18 to 60 years of age people only. Okay. Where I told na corporates also, for their employees, they can give contribution under NPS, and they can even show their expenditure in P&L account also. For them, 18 to 60 years of age, it will be covered. Okay. So I think the 3 modules I have covered. Remaining modules, maybe if I'm taking through nurture, you will get it. So these presentations in the drive, it is there. So I'll stop here for today. Sir, are you there, sir?